Hi guys. Okay, so we've been learning a lot of new information with addition and subtraction. And before you learned addition and subtraction, you were just learning about how to find a sum, how to combine numbers together, and when you were learning the subtraction, you were learning how to find the difference and take away numbers, okay? But now that we're in fourth grade, we know how to regroup, we know how to add without regrouping, we know how to subtract without regrouping. We know how to subtract across all zeros. We know how to round and then estimate our answer, okay? So today what you guys are going to focus on is word problems and identifying if we need to subtract and what we need to do if we subtract, or if we need to add and what we need to do if we need to add, okay? So I created these two anchor charts. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see subtraction. If we look at the top, you'll see a few keywords that we're going to focus on today. So difference, how many more, and takeaway. So, for example, if I said that so-and-so is this many rocks and this person is this many rocks, what's the difference? You'd subtract, okay? Another word is how many more does she have than he have, all right? Or if I take away 6 toys, how many does he have left, okay? So those are keywords we're looking for today that's going to tell us that we need to subtract. So we're doing both today, addition and subtraction. Just want to emphasize that. So then we look quickly with the rest of the subtraction without regrouping. 9 minus 7, we all know how to do that. That's our basic subtraction. We all know how to do that. We all know how to do regrouping as well now, because sometimes when it's more on the floor, we have to go next door and we have to borrow, okay, from our next place value. Sometimes there's no value to borrow from our place value, and that's how we get to subtract across zeros. So we need to keep our work organized. If you liked crossing out the 6 and then keeping it going, or if you like the box method, that's up to you, okay? But sometimes we're going to need to do that. Then we have our addition. So we look at the right hand of our screen. Our keywords are total, all together, in, all, and combine. So if I said that I combine the apples and the oranges, we would do addition. If I said find the total amount of pencils in this classroom, addition. How many pencils altogether does the third grade have? Addition. How many pencils does the whole school have in all? Addition. Okay, so we look for keywords like this. Sometimes there's more than one keyword in a word problem. So without regrouping, we all know the same thing. 7 plus 1, we would get 8. Okay, you guys all know how to do this. Same with regrouping. Sometimes when we add, we get more than our place value can handle. So 2 plus 1 is 3. We can handle 3 ones. 7 plus 4 equals 11. We cannot have 11 tens, but we can make one whole 100 out of those 11 tens. So I have 1 10 left. I leave it down there, and I bring my 100 up to my 5 and my 4. All right, guys? Then rounding to estimate. So we have 52,631, and it rounds to about 50,000, plus 27,347, which rounds about to 30,000. So my estimate answer would be about 80,000. Okay, guys? So we're going to use the strategies that we've learned in chapter 2 to help us with word problems today.